Hey guys, it's Rosa here. I hope you're all having a really lovely day. I'm here today to share with you a very exciting new dress and a competition. I'm so excited for this video because I haven't done a giveaway in so long, and very recently lovely Shona from Sewisfaction got in touch with me and she asked if I'd be interested in doing a little giveaway on my channel with her, and that was very nice of her, so thank you so much, Shona. So Shona sent me this beautiful fabric. I'll put some photos in here of me wearing this dress because with this new camera setup it's kind of hard for me to like show a whole dress. It's quite close, so yeah, I'll put some pictures in here so you can see. But this is made out of her luxury cotton lawn. Ooh. And it really is lovely. Like, it's got a beautiful sheen to it, really gorgeous print, and it's called, I've got my computer here so I don't make any mistakes. It's called, I think, Sewisfaction Luxury Cotton Lawn. It's on the Sewisfaction website, if you'd like some too. Now, yeah, I just absolutely fell in love with it. And Shona got in touch with me and said I could choose whichever fabric I liked. I was like, oh my god, it was slightly overwhelming because she's got like a lot of fabrics on her website and they're all really, really lovely. But I just felt like this would really, yeah, I think it would go with the other things in my wardrobe. I think it's the kind of dress that I'll wear quite a lot because it's midi length. I can wear it to work. It's got a little high neck. The pattern which I use is a bit of a mashup. So I used the bodice and the skirt from Lisette for Simplicity 1419, which is a really old favourite of mine. But I added on a gathered frill around the bottom, which was 1.5 meters wide at the front and at the back. I added that onto the bottom, gathered it all up, and yeah, I also added a sleeve on. The reason I wanted it to have a long sleeve is I'm super inspired at the moment by a company called The Vampire's Wife, which is quite a funky name for a company, but they make like really gorgeous midi length dresses. I'll put a few pictures in here if you want to see. They have like long sleeves and they're very kind of gothic and cool looking. So I was very inspired by them when I made this dress, and I thought this fabric from Sewisfaction was the perfect pairing to get that kind of, yeah, that Vampire's Wife look. I do feel a bit Dracula-like in it, in a good way. So let's get on with the giveaway. I'm so excited. So Shona has very kindly offered 2 meters of any fabric from her website to the winner of the competition, which is very kind of her, so thank you very much, Shona. There are loads of beautiful options on her website, and I thought I'd go through a few on here now to maybe inspire you if you'd like to enter. So some of my favourites, of course, apart from the beautiful Sewisfaction Luxury Cotton Lawn, there's a really lovely one called Raindrop Waterproof PVC Coated Cotton. So this is a cotton, but it's obviously been coated. So it's waterproof, and I just thought this would be so cute if you were in the market for making a raincoat, either for yourself or for kids. I think actually this pattern could work for either. It's this beautiful bluish grey with little raindrops. It's just adorable. So yeah, I absolutely love, love, love that. When I was choosing this cotton lawn, I was really torn between this and one other fabric, which was the Summer Stitch Embroidered Denim. And it's a beautiful wash denim which has a lovely embroidered border all along one side, and it's just lovely. So yeah, I absolutely love that. It was a very close second. I spent ages deliberating between those two. Another one which I love is one called Seeing Stars Shirting. I thought this would make a beautiful little summer top. I'm always a fan of blue and white cotton stripes. I think they're timeless, so cute. But also with my new obsession with making babies and kids clothes, this would be adorable for kids as well as for grown-ups. So yeah, that's very, very sweet. I also love, there's a sweatshirting on here called Playtime Blurs Sweatshirting, which is really, really cool. It has like the look, I think, of like paint smears. I think it would make a really, really cool, simple sweatshirt. I love, love, love that one. And it's one of my favorite colors, which is that pale pink. And if you're into jerseys, Shona has a beautiful one called Cordelia Blush Posy. I love that colour. Like, it's a really beautiful lavendery colour, and it's got beautiful big roses on there. And yeah, I just think that's a really gorgeous, and I think that colour would really look good on loads and loads of different people. It's just one of those super flattering colours. So yeah, I absolutely love that Cordelia Blush Posy, cute name. So yeah, those are just a few of my favourites, but there's masses on the Sewisfaction website. So of course, if you were the winner, it doesn't have to be one of these ones, it's just ones that I liked. So you could have a look through and yeah, choose 2 meters of whatever you fancy, which is very lovely. I used 2 meters to make this dress, and yeah, it's come out just fine. That's going to be the main prize, so thank you again to Shona. I'm also going to be offering a runner-up prize, and I've mentioned before I've been given some really lovely patterns recently. I won some patterns from Simplicity. I've been given some more patterns as well from some different places. And some of them are really lovely patterns, but I don't feel like I'm going to be using them, or perhaps I already have them in my stash. So the second part of the giveaway will be the runner-up prize, which is I'm going to be giving away a little bundle of patterns. So if you would like to enter, drum roll, if you would like to enter to win either the first prize, which is 2 meters of a Sewisfaction fabric, or the second prize, which is a bundle of patterns, all you have to do is comment down below, just here, I don't know why I'm doing this, you know where to comment. Comment down below which fabric you would choose if you were to win from the Sewisfaction website, and what you would like to make with it. It could be any fabric at all. It could be one of the ones I mentioned. It could be something completely different. Of course, if you are the winner and you change your mind, that is fine. But I just think it's a really nice opportunity for us to share good ideas. So again, if you want to enter, comment down below which fabric you really love from the Sewisfaction website and what you would like to make from it. That's everything, I think, for today. Oh yeah, rules, obviously. I will be picking the winner at random. I'll be using a random comment generator to pick the winner so that it's completely fair, and I will do it a second time to determine the runner-up prize. This is open worldwide. Yeah, that is everything for today, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really look forward to seeing your ideas and your entries down below. And yeah, that's it. Have a fantastic week. I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.